Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your fish index in Abyss Roblox. So if you're struggling to remember which legendary fish you've already reeled in, so your fish index or bestiary is the key to completing your collections and also earning those sweet completionist rewards. And in here, I'm going to show you a quick step to see your bestiary. So first, you just need to head into the Forgotten Dome, and you can just find this NPC called Richard. You can just interact with Richard in here. Then just click on Show Me the Bestiary, and you'll see your fish index in each of the biome. So if you already unlock a certain fish, you can claim rewards. You can get star shards by catching the fish. So you can just click on the biome and you'll see the claim buttons right here. Just click on it and you can see your fish index as well as get the rewards. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.